Hey everyone, today I'm showing you our snow bushwhacker handguards. So it's one of our snow specific products. They go on the handlebars like this. It prevents snow, rain, mud, the cold from getting to your hands. It's a $45 product. It straps right on, easy to remove for cold and hot days, but it's the perfect thing to protect your hands, and it will improve the performance of grip heaters. So if you have those ready, it improves it. So that's the Bushwacker. I like to give it a little bit of curve before putting it on with our Pronghorn strap. So you'll see here, depending on the bike configuration, you wrap it around everything. You go like this through the buckle, like all of our other Pronghorn straps. Pull it tight because it's a tension strap, and as you can see, it's locked in there. It's not going anywhere. And as you're riding, all the snow, all the mud, all the rain, all the cold is going to go away from your hands and protect them. So no need for bolt-on, fluffy, large, padded handguards when these do the job. And we make them also for the street and dirt side of things, and we've been running them for years. So they're proven at high speed, low speeds, all different temperatures, and a more visible color for our snow season. So